Apple has long been perceived as trailing behind Samsung and Google in the realm of AI software integration. However, whispers suggest that the tech giant is gearing up to close the gap by incorporating artificial intelligence capabilities into its upcoming iOS 18 software, particularly within its Voice Memos app. Insider sources hint that iOS May 18 introduce AI transcription functionality to Voice Memos, allowing users to obtain real-time transcriptions alongside summaries of recorded audio. This move mirrors Apple's recent implementation of live voicemail in iOS 17, showcasing the company's commitment to enhancing user experience through innovative features. Reports also speculate that this transcription feature will extend to the Notes app, which is set to integrate audio recordings within iOS 18, as indicated by an April disclosure from Apple Insider. Furthermore, these enhancements are anticipated to extend to macOS and iPadOS platforms, enriching the voice memo experience across Apple's ecosystem. Should these speculations materialize, Apple would be catching up with rivals who have long offered AI-driven transcription services. Google's Recorder app has provided live auto transcription for years, while Samsung's Galaxy AI, unveiled with the latest Galaxy S24 series, boasts conversation translation and note summarization capabilities. According to additional reports from Apple Insider, the Voice Memos auto transcription could mark the beginning of Apple's broader AI integration efforts in its software lineup for the year. Expectations include Safari receiving AI-driven web page summarization and the Messages app gaining the ability to condense lengthy conversation threads. Interestingly, rumors suggest that some of these AI features, particularly those within the Messages app, may rely on on-device AI processing rather than cloud-based solutions. This aligns with Apple's staunch stance on user privacy, as it reduces the need for sensitive data to leave the device, minimizing potential security risks associated with cloud-based AI. The stage for these unveilings might be set at WWDC 2024, commencing on June 10, where Apple traditionally announces its latest software updates. With the company's history of releasing public betas during this event, users could soon witness the integration of AI transcription and other innovative features into Voice Memos and beyond.